I'm Chris Breen. I'm the Chief Creative Officer at Chemistry, and welcome to my night school. Chemistry is a full-service marketing agency, meaning we do everything from creative to media to account planning. So you see TV commercials out there, stunts, PR stunts, activations, we do it all. Some of the brands Chemistry works with are Netflix, Atlanta United, Crystal, Red Bull, YouTube Music, just to name a few. Advertising is sort of this crazy mixed up hybrid of writers, designers, and production artists. Anything from editors to video shooters to content creators. That's kind of what makes advertising fun, is every job is kind of always evolving as culture sort of evolves as well. There are no rules. You know, as long as you can apply creativity to solving business problems, like if you can show your creative talents and the ability to communicate and speak on an emotional level to people, that's really what agencies are looking for. I think so many people don't really think of advertising as a career path, but I've been able to do some amazing things and meet some amazing people along the way, people like Cam, among others. At my night school, students can expect to learn all the different avenues of what makes up advertising and if maybe it's a good fit for their creative passions.